You're watching Let's Chat.
It's so great to have with me in the studio this morning Dr. Mark McOmie of McOmie Family Dentistry. Thank you so much for coming in, Dr. McOmie.
Thanks for having me. I'm so happy to be here.
Great. So tell me a little bit about your practice, maybe the history when you got started here.
I came to town in 1998 and started my office. Formerly it was a car lot, and it's on the corner of 153 and Shallowford Road where all the car dealerships are, and we're right on the corner there, and we remodeled the building, and it's been 25 years ago that we did that. And so since then we've evolved and grown, and we're fortunate to be there.
Now, speaking of growing, it sounds like your practice, you in particular, really like staying on the cutting edge of dentistry and what's coming out. Speak to me about that and how that might set you apart from other practices.
You know, we've won Best of the Best Cosmetic Dentistry a half a dozen times in a row, and we've always been in the top 3 or 4 in that category. And we do research on dental materials with groups out of Salt Lake City, Utah and Provo, Utah. I lecture all over the country on cosmetic dentistry. And cosmetic dentistry is kind of where we have focused into, and that's been the growth of our practice, and we do a lot of it.
Now, speaking of cosmetic dentistry, I understand you've had some cases that are pretty drastic before and after situations. Can you talk to me about those? Maybe walk me through some.
Yeah, I think we brought some photos today, and this is a young man. His teeth just were a little bit small, and they looked kind of, fangy, I guess he would say. And so we did a set of veneers on him, and then we can move to the next one. I think I've got, yeah, there he is after.
Wow, oh, so
and
handsome.
So it really changes the person and changes, it's so fun to do that. I can't tell you how rewarding it is for me, but to see him and for him to just walk around and not look like he has dentistry, but just nice teeth.
I love that. So is that a very rewarding part about what you do? Maybe?
So fun, and
yeah.
That's all of my staff loves that as well. We just really get a real energy out of it, and being able to help somebody in that way is just so nice. Here's a more up-close shot of him.
Yeah,
and
a cute kid.
Such a good guy, and he's headed off to college this year, believe it or not. And then when we switched him, you can see the differences here. And that was 8 veneers. 8
veneers. So his confidence obviously changed. What were we saying, one of those smilers where they
sometimes they like purse lip smile. They learn to smile and hold their lip over their teeth.
Right.
And then you can see he's a great looking kid. He should be smiling.
And that probably makes you sad as a dentist to see someone maybe embarrassed like that. And then how does that feel to change their life?
Oh, it's so fun. And you just want to help people and do the right thing. And to be in a profession where we can help people feel more confident and look better. And even if they don't really look that bad, if they think they do, then we can help them. You might recognize this guy. He's very vocal about what we did with him. This is Danny Baldwin.
Wow.
One of the 5 Baldwin brothers. He was in Atlanta directing a movie, and his friend told him, "Danny, go get your teeth fixed."
Yeah, he's kind of got that shy lip a little bit.
And his friend came in from California so I could do his teeth, and so Daniel drives up 2 hours,
Woo!
and there he is after. And
he's so proud.
He's the most fun person ever, and I'll never forget when we put his teeth in, when he tried them in. He was crying and looking at him. He's expressing tears of joy, and then he said, "Do you know what it's like to have tears in your ears?" Because he's flown back into his ears. But there he is before, and he's missing
look at that.
some teeth, and he had some really bad restorations. We got him put back in there. This is all crowns and implants, and I think he's got a bridge in there as well.
Well, it says a lot about your practice if people, in the public eye are trusting their mouth with you.
Yeah, and when we get those people that come from long distances to see our practice and see the way we do it differently. And that makes us very, very happy. And I mean, what a humbling experience to have somebody come from California or Atlanta or Canada to see us.
And as we wrap up, tell us real quick about the little friend people might make if they stop by.
We have a therapy dog, a comfort dog we call her, and her name's Copper, and she's a miniature Australian Labradoodle, and we consider her part of our staff.
I love that. So you get a little cuddle with, what's her name?
Copper.
Copper, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for coming on the show. McOmie Family Dentistry, you can reach them at McOmieDentistry.com or called 423-899-1112. They do the best cosmetic dentistry, sounds like anywhere, but they do a whole lot more than that. Go check them out, McOmieDentistry.com.